We are going to talk about crude oil. Okay, so what is crude oil? Crude oil is naturally occurring fossil fuel found deep underneath. Okay, it is a mixture of hydrocarbons formed from the remains of the tiny marine plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Key facts are that they are non-renewable resources. They are called fossil fuels, mixture of hydrocarbons formed over millions of years, main source of fuels and petrochemicals. Formation of crude oil. Millions of years ago, tiny marine organisms died. They remained settled on the seabed, and layers of sand and mud covered them. Heat and pressure act over the millions of years, and they remain converted into the crude oil. Okay, what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbons are the compound made up of carbon and hydrogen. Okay, just remember that thing when we will going to do organic chemistry, we are going to talk about that. So first thing is methane, CH4. That is a gas we use. LNG. Okay, ethene, propene, and butane, they are different number of carbon atoms. For example, methane has one, ethene has two, propene has three, and whereas butane has four. What is a crude oil mixture? A crude contain many different types of hydrocarbons. Each hydrocarbon has a different molecular mass, different boiling point, different viscosity, and different views. They allow crude oil to separate it into useful product. Okay, that is called fractional distillation. So, fractional distillation is a process used to separate crude oil into different fraction based on their boiling point. Fraction column. A vapors enter into the friction columns, heat at the bottom, cool at the top. A high boiling carbohydrates condense near the bottom, whereas low boiling carbohydrates near the top. For example, refinery gases from C1 to C1 C4, they are lowest boiling point, that is LPG and cooking gas. Petrol has a carbon from 5 to 10. They have low boiling point and they use in cars. Naphtha is also a C5 to C10 low boiling point and used in petrochemical stocks. Okay, whereas kerosene is a medium fuel C10 to C16, that is medium and used in jet fuel. Diesel is from C14 to C20, that is higher, uses in buses and trucks. Fossil oil, that is has high boiling point and that used in ships and power station. Bitumen above 60 highest and used for road and roofing. Trends in trends in fraction. As you move down the fraction column, boiling point increases. Molecule size also increases, that we have discussed on the table. Viscosity increases. Flammability decreases. Okay, the easiest thing to burn is CH4, that is methane. Volatility decreases, ease of ignition decreases. Okay, so you can light the LNG gas, that is CH4, with a lighter, whereas you cannot light bitumen with a lighter. Okay, properties of small hydrocarbons. They have low boiling point, high flammability, less low viscosity, evaporate easily, and burns with a clean flames. For example, methane, propane, and petrol. Properties of large hydrocarbons. They have high boiling point, thick, high viscosity, less flammable, less volatile, and harder to ignite. For example, fossil fuel and bitumen. Uses of fraction. Refinery gases used for cooking, heating, LPG cylinder. Used as a fuel for cars and motorcycle. Naphtha is used to produce plastics, solvents, and chemicals. Kerosene is for aircraft fuel and heating fuel. Okay, diesel we all know that is used for truck, buses, and tractors. Fossil fuel used in ship, industrial boilers, and power station. Bitumen is used for road surfacing, roofing material. What is cracking? Cracking is a process of breaking large hydrocarbon molecules into smaller and more useful hydrocarbons. Why cracking is needed? Because we have a high demand of petrol, but because petrol is used for cars. High demand of alkenes used to make plastic, and high demand for heavy fraction. Okay, low demand for the heavy fraction. Cracking convert high fraction into valuable product. Types of cracking, that is thermal cracking, high temperature, high pressure produce alkenes and smaller hydrocarbons. Catalytic cracking is used. Here catalyst is used which is called zeolite, low temperature, high quality petrol and branched hydrocarbons. Example is there is C10H22. We will break it into C5H12 and C5H10. Okay, that is called pentane and pentene. Okay, so they are more useful. They are useful as a petrol. Okay, pentane and pentene. Okay, combustion of hydrocarbon. Simple CH4 plus oxygen gives us CO2 plus 2HO2 plus energy. Okay, heat. Okay, that is the concept we use in LNG cylinder. Okay, carbon dioxide and water. Incomplete combustion occurs in the limited oxygen where carbon monoxide is produced, carbon is produced and water is produced. Carbon monoxide is poisonous environmental issue by burning fossil fuel results in carbon dioxide. Global warming, sulfur dioxide, acid rain, carbon monoxide, poisonous gas, soot is respiratory problem. Advantages of crude oil. Major source of energy, raw material of plastic and chemicals, easy to transport, high energy content. Disadvantages: non-renewable, causes pollution, contributes to climate change, and oil spillage to damage ecosystem. Crude oil is a mixture of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is the compound that contain carbon and hydrogen only. Okay, fractional distillation is separates fraction by boiling point. Cracking is break large hydrocarbons into smaller one. Complete combustion produce CO2 and H2O. Incomplete production combustion produce CO, soot, and H2O. If you want to take online classes, you can contact me.